Website TreatmentWiki.com presents Cancer mesothelioma, a frequent problem on the internet. The answer to the request of mesothelioma cancer. Let's start with the fact that mesothelioma is a type of cancer. Cancer of the pleura, pleural mesothelioma, is a malignant tumor that occurs in people who work with asbestos, is 1,000 times more likely than people in the general population. Thus, we can speak of a signal of the tumor in contact with asbestos. Asbestos is a fibrous structure, varies according to the spear-shaped amphibole, to which the crocidolite are blue asbestos, and finely twisted in a serpentine fashion to which the widespread chrysotile, white asbestos. Almost all commercially available asbestos is a mixture of fibrous structures. However, streamers can be partially destroyed, so it is less biologically dangerous for benign diseases caused by asbestos-related pleural plaques. On thickening of the connective tissue of the parietal pleura, which may be decades later calcined. These conditions also apply asbestneopleurisy, which is regarded as a benign, caused by asbestos, pleural effusion, which may result in diffuse pleural fibrosis, asbestosis lung generalized, increased basal pulmonary fibrosis, in 70% of patients with mesothelioma, often in men than in women, have a history of exposure to asbestos. In assessing the significance of harmful emissions into the environment and exposure to asbestos in the home, will not be wrong to say that almost 100% of all cases of mesothelioma are caused by asbestos fibers of the biological stability. The analysis found in the lungs of fibrous structures shows that almost all of the dead, even those who have no history of asbestos poisoning indications, asbestos fibers were found in small amounts, as well as other mineral fibers. Surprisingly, the high concentrations of asbestos fibers were found in patients with pleural mesothelioma who have no history of asbestos poisoning indications. Some relationship between the poisoning of asbestos fibers and an increased risk of mesothelioma. Found only parts of amphibole.